To send a message anonymously on Facebook Messenger, follow these steps. First, ensure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version by visiting your device's App Store. Once updated, open the Messenger app. Normally, when you send a message, your name is visible to the recipient. However, if you wish to remain anonymous, log out of your current account and create a new profile with a random username, or use an existing account with a different username. After logging into the alternate account, search for the recipient's name, open the chat, and start typing your message. This way, your real name will not be displayed, allowing you to send messages anonymously.